Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche 911 SC. We just finished resealing the oil leaks. The main oil leaks was coming from this part here, that breather pipe there, cover for the end, and then the engine. We had to move this up, everything up, so we can get to it because we can't lift it up already from the bottom to get it free. So this is the thermostat there. They call it a thermostat as well. So there's a rubber seal underneath here that we had to replace, and a rear main seal behind here. We replaced it, which is this one here. So a brand new rear main seal for the engine. Was leaking as well. So now we're just putting everything back together now. We took this cover plate off, put some grease inside there, and then now we're just assembling everything. We're going to torque up all the bolts, and then we're going to put the gearbox in, and then ready for assembly. Alright, so everything else, I'm going to put new spark plugs as well, new spark plugs, but everything else, and I'm getting a new one of these as well, coming late because there's nothing in stock, but that's getting done as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.